gonna cut it. So I can, okay, I'm gonna cut it, honey. Ready? Yay, it's mine, mine, all mine. Okay, so silly. Hi everyone, I'm doing a quick vlog today. So I'm leaving my mom's house and I've just delivered some Popeye chicken because she loves it. She loves the spicy Popeye chicken. And then this morning I took her to Panera Bread for Chipotle chicken wrap. Clearly I can't cook because I'm buying ready-made food or semi-homemade, which means basically heat it up. So anyway, so it's been kind of a busy day, but I just got notice that my purchase from Fashionphile just came in and it's going to be at the UPS store. So I'm going to go pick that up. I got to go home and clean the house, and then maybe I'll unbox it in the car, and I'll do it at home. And something else came in yesterday. I got another purchase from Fashionphile. Okay guys, I bought a couple of things from Fashionphile recently, and so this one I just couldn't pass up. I've been eyeing this. I love Hermes scarf, and I saw this on Fashionphile, and I just had to have it because the price was so good. But also the color is something I think I would be able to use a lot. I can't believe how big the box is. But really, that's all empty. It's just, and then of course you got the Fashionphile, thank you. And oh, they give me a calendar. Okay. So use is a new. Oh, it came with a box. Oh, cashmere silk. De la Mer or Ciel la something. Fashionphile bag, dust bag. Okay. Yeah. Remove the tag and own the bag. Well, there was no, I couldn't, it's not attached. So this is it. I love it. Okay, watch. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Okay, I gotta inspect this. So, but this is, oh my God. It said it had some perfume odor, which I know I could take out. I don't smell anything. All right. Wow. And these items, really, I've been eyeing them for a long, long time. I have an Hermes scarf that's, the cashmere scarf that I've had for a while now, and I absolutely love it. But they are really, really expensive, for what they are. And I mean, they're really nice, but they're also very expensive. They're, I think, over 1,100, 1,000, something like that. I don't remember exactly, but so I saw a color combination that I absolutely loved in their Fashionphile outlet store, and I think it was in very good condition. There were a few runs, but I looked at it, it didn't seem so bad. And that's one of the things about buying a expensive scarf or something. When you get those snags, I don't know about you, but I feel sick to my stomach. So it's kind of nice that I got a discount, and huge discount on the price. Plus, and the runs are not so bad. It's not like there's a hole, or it's not going to be like, huge run or anything like that. So I'm okay with, and then yesterday when I received it, I washed it. I hand washed it with Woolite, and then I air dried it, and then I, gently ironed it with, very, very low heat with something covered. And today I get my other item, and it is the Speedy 20. And I'm gonna do some mod shots and insert those in. But I have been looking at Speedy 20 since it came out, actually. And I was thinking, should I get it? Should I not get it? And you may or may not know that I used to have the Speedy 25 in Empreinte, the older model. And I sold it because, it was in really good condition, but I sold it because it was like 2013 or 2014 where they were having glazing problems where it was all melting. So Louis Vuitton replaced that for me, and it was practically brand new. But then I started seeing how it was wearing with, it was losing shape, and the imprinting was getting lighter in some of them. So I was not using it because I was scared to wear it out. Not wear it out. That's not the right word. I was scared to. I wasn't using it like comfortably because I was really worried about the wear and tear of it. So I ended up selling. And then at the same time, right around that time, the newer Speedy Empreinte model came out with the pocket outside. And I just thought, I have the Speedy Damier Bean and I'm good. But then I saw the Speedy 20 and I thought, oh, that's so cute. And I've been kind of thinking, should I get it? Should I not get it? And then they discontinued it. And then what happened? And then I saw it in Japan. When I went to Japan this year, I went, they have all these, we went to Osaka and they have all these, there's this one street with like, I don't know, half a dozen PRELOVED stores that have really high-end stuff, high-end Hermes and Louis Vuitton and Chanel and all that stuff. And I saw it. I saw almost pristine condition Speedy 20 in cerise, which is a red color. And I tried it, and they were asking USD, 2,000 USD. So I decided not to get it. And then I've been regretting it ever since. And I've been looking to see if to get that. And what I love about that is the fact that it has the two top handles, and it's got the outside pocket with a handle with crossbody. Yay. I love that combination. And it sort of reminds me of some of the camera bags. You know how you have camera bags with a zipper on top? But a lot of the camera bags, except for some, don't have the little top handle. Well, this one does. It also has an outside pocket. So I think I'm gonna kind of use it like a camera bag. And it fits. When I tried it on in Japan, it fit a lot of, all my essentials. I didn't feel like I was downsizing. It also fit my glasses, which is, a plus, because I find that when the purse is small enough that it fits my essentials but doesn't fit my glasses, I don't tend to wear as often. Case in point, I think, is my Coco Mini. Anyway, so I'm hoping that, can't wait. Okay, I'm gonna go to UPS now. I'm gonna pick it up, and I will try to do the unboxing when I get home, and you'll see it. Okay, bye. There you go. I got such a good deal on this one. I've been looking at this for, I think, like 3-4 years, since it came out in like 2015 or 16. And then now they're really into small bags, like the mini nano, Speedy Nanos. That's canvas bag that people are selling for like higher than retail, and you can't even get it anymore. But this is Empreinte. This is completely leather. And I saw this in Japan. I wanted to buy it, and I didn't buy it because it was $2,000. And it was used in Japan because they don't make this anymore. You ready? My husband's sitting right there. Ah. Oh my gosh. Let me see the edges. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. This is how it's going to look. Okay. Oh, I like this because this is better than the Speedy, in my opinion, although I haven't seen the Speedy net. Well, I have seen it in person. This is better than the canvas Speedy that people are going crazy over now because the zipper goes further down than the actual, so it opens up much wider. So it's easy to get things in and out. It's got this tab, double zipper. What is this? Keys. Where's the lock? Okay, I have to make sure if the lock is here. No. Ah, here's the lock. Yes. And a little booklet, a little care tag. There's no SKU tag, I think, and the dust bag. Yep. So this side doesn't open. It looks like it opens, but it doesn't. This side opens and you can put your phone in there. And, oh my gosh, I got such a good deal on this one. I've been watching a couple of them on Fashionphile, but it was like waiting for the price to drop. And then all of a sudden, a new one came in, and it was like a couple $100 less. So I grabbed it. I mean, it literally came on that morning, and then as a new bag, and then I grabbed it. I don't understand how they price things. But, oh my God, look at this. What do you think? Can you see? I want to see if my phone fits. Where's my phone? Okay, it goes gonna call my phone. Okay, here it is. All right. Okay, thank you, Echo. All right, my phone fits no problem. I could even fit, I know my larger phone, when I had the larger phone, fit in here too. Look at this, I'm gonna check. It opens like that. Yay, I think this is a keeper. It's a keeper. What do you think? You like it? My husband likes it. And the glazing looks good. There's no problem with the glazing in this. Yay!